Yo, what's up everyone? So today I have a really exciting day. I just finally received my new exhaust tips. So the thing they were supposed to arrive in July and they actually just came right now in the mail. So let me show them to you. So I paid about $140 for those. They came obviously from China. The thing is, like, I looked at all American companies that were doing them, and it was always above 180, 190, and it was never in that finish, you know, with the matte carbon fiber. I thought it would look really nice, you know, with the tire lettering, so the red and white accents. And these are a lot bigger, and they're gonna fit that diffuser a lot better as well. So I'm just gonna re-put that here, and I'm gonna see you guys at the shop.
Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention.